Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your queries in Perplexity keep timing out or failing to load, it usually means the request is taking too long due to network issues, server load, or overly complex prompts. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix query keeps timing out in Perplexity AI effectively. So first thing first, check your internet connection. So ensure you have fast and stable Wi-Fi or data. Try switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi, okay? Because slow internet equals timeout. You can also retry the query. So click retry or regenerate or resend your question again. So this is a temporary fix, okay? You can also simplify your prompt. So try, avoid very long or complex request. Try, for example, shorter, clearer query, okay, for faster processing, okay. You can also reduce attachments or inputs. So if using files, use smaller files, remove unnecessary inputs, because this lightens the load, okay. You can also check server load. So during peak times, requests may time out, so wait a few minutes. You can also refresh the page or app, so press reload from here, or restart app if you are using the Perplexity AI from your mobile phone, okay. And you can, as a last fix, try another browser or device. So switch to Chrome, Edge, Safari, or use another mobile or PC, okay. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.